Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the world of mechatronics. You know, that incredible mix of mechanics, electronics, and software that's literally powering our future. Think self-driving cars, smart factories, you name it. And we're going to explore it all through one specific platform that's trying to be the central hub for it all, the Mechatronics Forum.
Just think about that for a second. This field is moving at an absolutely breakneck speed. So what if there was just one place you could go to learn everything, connect with the right people, and actually build a career? That's the huge challenge we're looking at today.
All right, so what is a platform like this really? Let's dig in and see how it's built to be a launchpad for anyone wanting to jump into this super complex and super exciting field. At its core, the Mechatronics Forum is pretty much exactly what it sounds like, an online hub for education and innovation. In the world we live in now, you can't really separate robotics, AI, and automation anymore, right? They're all tangled together. So the mission here is simple. Be the one gateway to mastering all of it, whether you're a total beginner or a pro who's been in the game for years. But see, this isn't just a website with a few courses. It's designed to be a whole ecosystem. You've got the e-learning for all the theory, the brainy stuff, but then, and this is crucial, you've got hands-on workshops and even DIY kits so you can actually build things. And it's all wrapped up with a community forum to connect with people and blogs to keep you up to date on what's happening right now. Okay, so who is a place like this actually for? Well, it's not some exclusive club. For a platform like this to really work, it needs to bring everybody together, the learners, the teachers, and the companies doing the hiring. So first up, you've got individuals. This could be you. Maybe you're a student just dipping your toes into mechatronics, or maybe you're already a professional who knows that if you're not constantly learning new skills in this field, you're going to get left behind. Then you have the colleges and universities. They can use a platform like this to fill in the gaps, to connect with students who are learning in the classroom with the practical, real-world skills that companies are actually looking for. It's about bridging that gap between theory and reality. And finally, the third piece of the puzzle, the industry itself. Companies and recruiters are always looking for top talent, so they can tap into a community like this to find people who are already skilled up and passionate. It saves them a ton of time and effort. You see how it all fits together? It's kind of a win-win-win situation. Students and pros get to learn and build their careers, colleges get to offer more practical, industry-relevant education, and companies, they get a direct pipeline to the exact talent they need. When it works, everyone benefits. Now, it's not just about courses and community. They also have some really powerful practical tools to help you get started. And what's really cool is that some of the most useful ones are completely free, which is awesome for getting more people in the door. Okay, so check this out. They offer 2 key free tools to get you going. First, there's a project idea generator. You know that feeling of, I want to build something cool, but I have no idea what? Well, this tool helps solve that. Then, once you've built something amazing, there's a resume builder designed specifically to help you show off those projects in a way that gets recruiters' attention. And the skills you can learn here are exactly what the industry is screaming for. We're talking everything from robotics and the Internet of Things, all the way to heavy-duty industrial stuff like PLC and SCADA. Plus, you've got the coding languages you absolutely need, like Python and C++, and of course, AI and machine learning. It's the whole shebang. So there's a ton of great stuff you can get for free. But for those who want to go all in and really accelerate their career, there's also a premium membership. This is where you get access to the most advanced resources and opportunities. The annual membership costs 1,999 rupees. So for about 2,000 rupees, you get a full year of access to everything the platform has to offer. It's really positioned as an investment in yourself. Mechatronics Forum is creating a complete path into this incredibly exciting field, giving people the tools, the community, and the industry connections they need. But it leaves us with one final, really big question. We've seen what they're doing, but are you ready to shape